baby sleeping over there, and if I were to move her into the crib, she'll wake up. We don't want that. So I just left her on the bed and I'm doing the video right in front of her. So it's gonna be slightly quieter this time. So just when I was doing my takes, she woke up and sitting right there and staring at me. So we can do this at a normal volume right now. So today I'm going to share with you guys how you can style your sari with your hijab. So right now I'm wearing the scarf shawl, chiffon shawl. This is perfect for you for daily wear or for events like this. Usually a sari comes with a lot of patterns and colors, so you wouldn't need a shawl that is too much, that's too busy. So a basic comfortable shawl like this works perfect. So I have my sari on, and I have my sari on and some of my accessories to kind of just get into the mood. And what we're gonna have is your accessories on as well, because usually, I mean, so we're gonna have our accessories on as well, because what is sari without accessories, right? So I have this, one of my favorite Joda Akbar kind of inspired kind of accessory. I mean, I got obsessed with the accessory when I watched the movie, and obviously it's too expensive and it's a bit too much for us to wear to weddings. It's very large and so grand, you know. So I got this, I don't know where, I think like I got it here in KL, and it has this little red works on it, which kind of, I feel like it's very Joda Akbar. Sarah, kind of feel like it's very Joda Akbar inspired. So we're gonna use this. Really now? Zara! So I've already put on the accessories. So you may have accessories like this, you know, like a chandelier or something like this, and usually they are big, and it actually helps for you to style your hijab when you're wearing a big earring. So let me show you why. So first, you're gonna have both sides on equal. Okay, so kind of just tuck the fabric behind your earring. So we're gonna tuck it, pull it, and throw it. Tuck it, pull it, and throw it. And that's basically it, you know, you're basically done. And you probably want to get some pins to just secure it. We're done. So like I said, the big earring would actually kind of help you to hold your shawl in place. So we're done. And if you are wearing any choker or long necklace, you can still style this, because your shawl would be placed short, because you'll be having your sari drape to cover your chest. So you can have your necklace or your choker down here. So beautiful, simple, and quick. All right. So what if you would want to have your head accessory on as well? Can be done, trust me. So right now I do not have my hair accessory, my head accessory with me. So I'm gonna use an earring to demonstrate how you can wear it. So of course you have, she's holding Zara, come, I need it. My head accessory right now with me, so I'm gonna use this earring to kind of imitate it. So have a safety pin, and you would have a hook on your accessory to kind of hook to your hair. So we're gonna do this. Okay, so for this demonstration purpose, you're gonna see a bulge here because that's the earring, you know. So we're gonna ignore that and just kind of hook it, place the accessory on your forehead where you want it to be, okay, and just pin to your inner shawl, to your inner scarf. I have it on, as you can see the bulge here, you know, but we're gonna ignore that. So same thing, same steps, just get your shawl on top of your accessory, and so ideally it would look like this, flattened, but since it's an earring, it's gonna bulge like this. So yeah, there you have earring and your head accessory at the same time, and ready to rock your sari. So what if you want to style a turban? Easy. So and I have both sides on equal. Okay, and tie a knot at the back. Okay, not too tight. Take one end, tuck it into your shawl. Almost done. So tuck one side into the shawl, so it looks something like this, okay, and the other end, give it a roll, just go around, and tuck that into, and you can adjust, and you're done. Thanks so much guys for watching. I hope this helps in this festive season, but we still have to be home. Do subscribe and like if you find this video helpful.